掐丝珐琅画是一个非物质文化遗产，但为什么我们就是做了很多现代化的东西，就是希望更多人了解。最难的一点就是它的每个步骤都是需要环环相扣的。如果你掐丝过程当中，你的丝线没有掐得完全捏合于底板，或者是你的接口地方没有闭合的话，那后面上颜色一定会受到影响。基本上说是有2/3的时间都在掐丝。小的挂件的话是5 cm 直径大小，需要3个小时。深入学下去的话，那平时需要就是有一点绘画技巧，然后平时要稍微练习一下。
I like how convenient everything is. I like the climate and the weather. I like the people, they are so friendly and they're always ready to help you. You can just hop in the car and 30 minutes you will be in to the seaside. I live in downtown, but I can go hiking. It's amazing.
Yeah.
I don't know any other capital where you can do this. I feel very lucky.
Yeah. We also want to ask, because of course everything has good parts and bad parts, we want to ask, what do you don't like in Taiwan? Or what do you think Taiwanese like society should change a little bit or differently from what you got used to?
I think for me there are no disadvantages really. I would say maybe something about Taiwanese schools, that they have too many homeworks. You know, kids have to memorize lots of characters and there are lots of tests, so that's not easy. That's a little bit different from Russian system.
A lot of pressure, right?
Yeah, yes. But otherwise, we like everything in Taiwan.
Wow, amazing. Yeah, we know that in Taiwan the education for the kids is very good, but so much competition. You have to study all day long.
Yes.
And
Yes, I remember. We saw that they go at night to special school to prepare for
Yes,
exams.
they have like special. They're called cram schools,
Yeah.
Bushiban,
Bushiban.
and they spend lots of time there. Like they go home at 8 or 9 p.m.
Wow.
They have to write their homework. They have to do extra things on Chinese and math.
So do you like more your cram school or your school?
My school.
The school?
English school or Taiwanese school?
English.
Ah, interesting. Okay. It was amazing to meet them. We know a much more about how is it living in Taiwan, and we want to say that if you have any questions,
You can write in the comments and we will ask them, because we are planning to film a lot of videos.
okay. So say see you soon.
See you soon. Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Bye bye.